Paul, what are we doing?
We're noise hunting. We have a really peculiar noise that we seem to get out of my garage more than anything. Happens to be 2001 hertz. Sometimes it's just a constant. Other times it sounds like Morse code. So we're on a hunt to see if we can find out if it's one of the lights, a phone. Yeah, and here's my phone. Let's get this up here next to the mic. Nothing there. Oh, you did have yours. Okay.
It's brand new. It's the new phone, and it's not released yet. Nobody else has this phone.
Mark's phone.
Show it. You're in the light, man. People want to see this. This
has a really cool feature.
Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Look at that keyboard.
Don't you want one?
A real one. All right.
Did you turn the camera on?
Oh, I guess I did. Somehow.
So that
I don't know how I did that.
Just for that. It's got a built-in camera, everybody. There's my new wallpaper for sure.
I like that shutter sound.
Tamara's going to be like, oh, Paul's on your wallpaper. You made a stupid face.
All right. Let's go to our LED over here.
LED light. Okay. We didn't have that on.
Well,
another LED. Well, let's try the other one.
okay.
Okay.
Just for the shits and giggles.
Okay. Garage door opener. Fluorescence. And we'll listen to this video and tell you what we found. Because you're having a similar problem. Sometimes lights make weird sounds. It's hard to tell when someone's talking the whole time, though. Shut up, Paul.
I'll come over to the other side of this.
This is the softbox. And this is just a cheapo, like one of those heat lamps you get at Ace Hardware. There's other little things in the room, whatever this is. There's an outlet up here. Might as well put here. Okay. I'm just going to walk from this end of the garage to the other with the mic pointed up. Or mic pointed 45 degrees.
Stay tuned for the next episode of Sound Hunters.
What's up, Paul?
I want to know where the noise is coming from.
It's okay, Paul. We'll find it. Was that YouTube kid that gets under his bedsheet and cries and whines about stuff? The blonde kid, he was a big hit for a while. Not a kid, I mean, he was like 25. But man, what a little bitch.
I don't.
He's huge.
Really?
He was one of these, like, such a freak.
With the really high whiny voice.
Yeah.
Yeah, I forgot his name.
I think he might have been one of the ones that ended up on South Park. But
He ended up getting a Disney deal, a Disney movie deal.
Jesus, he looks like a product of Disney.
Yeah.
You look like a product of David Cronenberg. This high quality lens. Okay, enough making fun of Paul. So we're thinking it's coming from the garage door opener or somewhere in that vicinity. So here we go. Another sound check. And then we're going to unplug it and then try it again. Shh. Out of the way, Paul. There's the door. Down low. Up high. the length of the track again. Put it down low on the floor because it seemed like it was maybe loud. This is the floor.
Another thought. Right in the middle. Go up towards the door.
Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna unplug this sucker and try the same shot again with it being unplugged, which is not hard to do for shooting our stuff. Another F-bomb I gotta cut out. Man. Smile, Paul.
I'll smile when we find it.
Okay. Okay, this is the same thing again. It seems to be coming from the center of the garage door. As it, Paul's saying, possibly as if it works like a satellite dish. Okay, now I'm going to try it with the onboard mic instead of the Rode mic, but I'm going to turn off the camera and reset for that. Okay, this is the onboard mic. Okay, with the garage door open. This is the area. The door itself. The area. Door itself. Okay, Paul, what happened with our little sound test?
Well, we identified where it's coming from. We don't know why it happens, but it happens to be that my garage door somehow acts as a frequency amplifier that only this microphone picks up. And it happens to be exactly 2001 hertz. So we wanted to find out why, couldn't find out why, but here's the quick simple thing. I'm going to show you really simple, if you ever come across this, a really simple way to eliminate that sound.